A Ferris wheel spins at a constant speed while in use. The measurements of the Ferris wheel are given below. The Ferris wheel rotates once every 40 seconds and starts at the bottom. Sketch a graph relating height in y and time in x. So, all right, so let's draw ourselves a very basic coordinate plane that's only going to be in quadrant 1 because, you know, this is a Ferris wheel. You can't have negative time. You can't go underground. You'll be y, you'll be x. What are the measurements that we know? Well, at the very tippy top, 65.5 feet above the ground is where you're going to have your maximum. The hole, the diameter of the Ferris wheel is 61.5, which means at the very bottom here, you are 4 feet above the ground. Now, since our diameter of the whole thing is 61.5, half of that would be 30.75, which would mean that the halfway mark here is going to be 34.75. All right, those numbers look pretty clean. Now, this is a Ferris wheel. Starts at the bottom. Its height goes up and down and up and down and up and down. Now, it rotates every 40 seconds, and we're going to sketch a graph. So let's label you 40, label you 80, label you 120, and we should be okay with that. Now, this is where you're going to see some awful drawing. We're going to start at the very bottom, okay? Halfway through, we're going to hit the top, and then hit the bottom at 4 again. Halfway through, we're going to hit the top, and then hit the bottom at 4 again. Hit the top, bottom at 4 again. So just to make this prettier, we're going to hit halfway here and here, halfway here and here, halfway here and here, and this is where the bad drawing is going to take place. This is going to be like a wavy looking thing. So I'm going to draw what appears to be a wavy looking graph, because as time goes on, it smoothly goes up and down and up and down. And I'm just talking right now so that you cannot be distracted by how bad this picture is. But if you squint just a little bit, you know, you'll be like, oh yeah, I see it. You know, it's just supposed to be wavy. Just, you know, better looking than that for sure.